So how would listeners, start their research process into these layer ones and how they get an understanding from an investment standpoint, maybe what to look for and ultimately what may be here 5 years from now?
Yeah, that's a very good question, Joe. And I think, if you are a listener that are just stumbling onto blockchain, obviously you need to learn from the granddaddy, right? First of all, you have to learn from Ethereum, Bitcoin, right? The mechanisms behind it. What is Merkle tree? How does blockchain works, etc. Once you have a basic understanding of that, you can look into other layer ones, such as like how Binance Smart Chain came about. What is Cosmos? Like what is Tendermint's ecosystem, right? Like how does IDC work? And then essentially you can go into like Avalanche, Solana, right? Like how does Solana kind of comes about this idea or this notion of the chain for NFT and metaverse, right? Like, is it because they're hackathon? Is it because there are technologies behind it? Like different chains have different eras and they're growing into different niches. It's not to say like, like Binance Smart Chain is good at like DeFi, like metaverse, NFT. Not really. I feel like in the future there will be a multi-chain ecosystem where one chain is more sufficient than the other, right? So that's kind of like my answer in terms of like research into layer ones.